Okay, so my client, Bethany, she didn't want her face in this photo because she felt like she looked like she was going to cry. So I told her that I would do a face swap. So I'm going to do that is I have another file open here that I'm going to take her face from, which she doesn't have the forehead creases, so it doesn't look like she's crying. And I'm going to hit this rectangle tool, and I'm just going to trace the outline of her head. And then I'm going to take this move tool, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to drag it up to the second photo where I have her family, and I'm going to place it there. And so now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. As you can see, her head was entered into a new layer. So with this layer, I can change the opacity, and I can kind of turn it down so I can see where I need it to line up with her current head. I'm going to go over to the left side and take this move tool again, and I'm going to move her head so that her eyes line up. And it doesn't have to be just so, since it's going to be a full replacement, but I want it to be pretty similar. Move her hair, chin. So I can press Command T to open up this manipulation. And I'm just going to kind of make the head a little smaller. Just line up. That looks perfect right there. And I'm going to go ahead and say check mark. Okay. So if you do the layers, you can see it, they just about line up. So then I'm going to go and take my eraser tool, make sure I'm on this second layer, and I'm going to just erase. And I'm going to change this back to 100. And you literally cannot tell that our face is any different. Maybe a little bit right here. All right, so then I think she'll be way happier with that.